Hi guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. This video is about a Q&A setup and that will help you guys to memorize key facts in the biology resource book. These tutorials were initially created by me to make my study sessions interesting, and now I'm sharing it with you guys. Okay, so use the link in the description to download the tutorial. This new tutorial is based on nutrition in animals, which is a subpart of Unit 5. It has 100 questions, and if you're from 2023 batch, you already know that Unit 5 is the longest lesson in the syllabus, and I really hope this will help you guys do your revision more effectively. Even though, due to the current situation of the country, education is at an edge, never give up guys, because education is the best gift you can ever have. So, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and support this channel. See you from the next video.